Many traders want to get funded and trade large accounts, but most of them fail prop firm challenges. They blow their accounts, break the rules, or overtrade trying to pass quickly. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to pass an FTMO challenge step by step as a beginner, and the simple strategy many successful traders use to get funded. If you want to trade a $10,000, $50,000, or even a $100,000 account, this guide will help you understand exactly how it works. First, let's quickly understand what an FTMO challenge actually is. FTMO is a proprietary trading firm that allows traders to, instead of depositing thousands of dollars, you take a trading challenge. Trade large funded accounts without risking their own capital. If you pass the challenge and follow the rules, FTMO funds you with a large account and you can keep up to 90% of the profits. But to pass the challenge, you need to follow a few important rules. The first rule is the profit target. Usually you need to make around 10% profit on the account. The second rule is maximum daily loss. Most accounts allow around 5% maximum loss per day. And the third rule is maximum overall drawdown, usually around 10%. This means risk management is extremely important. Most traders fail because they risk too much per trade or revenge trade after losses. But the traders who pass usually follow simple and strict rules. For example, they risk only 0.5% to 1% per trade. They focus on high probability setups, and they avoid overtrading. Passing the challenge is less about making huge profits and more about protecting your capital. If you want to try the challenge yourself, the first step is to create an account with FTMO. I've left a link in the pinned comment that will take you directly to the challenge page so you can choose the account size you want. You can start with smaller accounts like $10,000 or go bigger with $50,000 or $100,000 accounts. Once you create your account, you can download the trading platform and begin the challenge. Now let's talk about the strategy and mindset you should use to actually pass it. One of the best approaches to passing the FTMO challenge is using a top-down trading strategy. This means you start with higher timeframes like the daily or 4-hour chart to identify the market direction. Then you move to lower timeframes like 15 minutes or 5 minutes to find precise entries. Many traders also look for liquidity sweeps and fair value gaps because these setups often lead to strong price movements. Another important rule is risk management. For example, if you are trading a $100,000 challenge, risk only $500 to $1,000 per trade. That means even if you lose 5 trades in a row, you are still within the rules. Also avoid trading during high-impact news events, because the volatility can easily hit your stop loss. The goal is not to rush the challenge. Most successful traders focus on consistent small wins over time. Even making 0.5% to 1% per day can be enough to reach the profit target while staying safe within the drawdown limits. Another important tip is to treat the challenge like a real funded account. Don't gamble, don't revenge trade, and don't increase risk after a loss. If you stay disciplined and follow your plan, passing the challenge becomes much easier. So to recap, passing an FTMO challenge comes down to 3 key things: understanding the rules, using a consistent trading strategy, and managing risk properly. If you follow these principles, you greatly increase your chances of becoming a funded trader. And again, if you want to start the challenge, check the link in the pinned comment to create your account. If this video helped you understand how FTMO works, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more trading guides.